What's up guys, it's me your Geek. So here is the Huawei Honor Note 10 display review. I personally like the Huawei Honor Note 10. Before I can show you some pics, I want to show you the display setting. Okay, there is the eyes comfort, or I can turn on the natural tone, which is amazing. Also there's color mode, as you can see, warm, cold, normal, but I'm going to put on default and put on the vivid. So now let me jump to the gallery. Now let me show you the display. I mean look at the display. Look at it. To be honest with you, isn't this beautiful? The display is one of the most beautiful display ever I have seen in my life. This is the best AMOLED display. The brightness is around like 500 nits. 450 to 500 is quite bright screen. The display is one of the feature which I really like of the Huawei Honor Note 10. This Note 10 is an amazing phone. Wow, this is indeed a breathtaking display. When I'm saying it is indeed a breathtaking display, then literally indeed it's a breathtaking display. The viewing angles also are quite good, as you can see. I'm just loving the display. Display is really very beautiful, as I can show you. This picture, wow, look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Make sure to watch the video in 4K. The display is one of the best feature of this phone. Isn't it? The display is absolutely amazingly beautiful. If you're looking for the best display phone, Huawei Honor Note 10, you can buy from the link below. It was me, Geek. Check out the links in the description box. Bye bye.